Hi Amber, how you doing? So, okay, so we have your cover page here. Then you have your project summary. So let's take a look at project summary. Um, okay, you have your trade show. You're explaining this is sustainable because it can be recycled. So what I would suggest is giving an introductory paragraph to introduce sustainability and explain that you're using sustainable materials to construct everything, including your 3D giveaway and your collateral piece, as well as your trade show booth. So then you explain that that here's the project, it's a sustainable project, okay, and then you can start introducing the items. I would suggest that you keep your page size the same because as you can see here, your page size changes. So now we have to just kind of scroll around to see what's going on. And again, there's a different page size. And finally, the last two are different page sizes. And then, okay, so we really want to get some consistency in the presentation there. Okay, so let's go to page 2. Oh, back to the, I wouldn't use center aligned type here. It's just too difficult to read. Try to left align, right regular type. I think it's a lot easier to read that way. So then you say I went with a recycled paper with information about the company on the back with a 30%. This is sustainable because it can be recycled, but you can use the coupon after done reading about the company's information. And that's awesome. That's awesome that you went with recycled paper, but you have to tell us what the recycled paper is. As a matter of fact, you have to add a materials list for all of the things, including your how this was made, the tablecloth, what it was made from, why is it sustainable. I'll show you a materials list that you can take a look at here. I'm going to include it with this video, and it looks like this right here. This is what it looks like. So you would see that it would list what it is, how it's made, and then there's the research to back it up. The actual citation that goes right to the source. Again, materials, here's what it is, here's what it's made from, and here's the research citation. Materials, here's what it is, here's how it's made, here's the citation, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you really want to consider that because you're doing so well, but you're not addressing sustainability here, and we're about ready to turn into final. So I really, really recommend that you do that. This piece right here, you're supposed to have this mocked up. So, and you have to photograph it. So I didn't see that photograph. I know you said you're going to slip that in there, but that's not your giveaway. So, I mean, I don't know what to tell you, but you gotta follow the assignment specifications. I know you're moving, and I know that you're really under the gun here, but really try to get this by the time you turn it in. But most important, I understand if you can. I mean, I'm not gonna nail you because you can't find a glass in the middle of moving across country. So don't sweat it. But at the very least, Amber, I need that materials list. Okay, so I'll make sure that I add it here so you can take a look at what it would look like. And then all you have to do before your finalists is find materials, sustainable materials for your t-shirt, your mug, your flyers, and give those materials. Just tell me what you're using for the t-shirt. Exactly. Don't just say sustainable cotton. Tell me exactly what it is, how it's made, and give me research. And basically after that, you're done. All right, good job. Watch those page sizes. I think that this should be all presented on a similar page size, like a portfolio style. Do you know what I mean? All right, awesome job, and thanks. Don't forget your citations page, meaning you need to list all your everything that you used for research, and then doesn't look like you used any images. So. Okay, so anyways, that's where we're at. So you're looking good, and I will see you next week in final. And if you have any questions between now and then, just please be sure to get with me. All right, thanks, Amber.